We're making pineapple salsa, chicken, and jack cheese sandwich. Kids, we're at it again. Can you believe that? When is he gonna stop? Listen, I've been doing a lot of pineapple this spring because I like pineapple. I like pineapple and jalapeno. I like jalapeno and avocado. I like jalapeno and red onion. I like jalapeno, pineapple, and cilantro. So what is he gonna do? Well, let's make a pineapple salsa. Yes, okay, let's do that, Bud, Papa. What are we gonna do with it? Well, we're gonna take some chicken breasts. We're gonna put some little Louis on it. We're gonna griddle them. And when we flip them over, we're gonna put jack cheese on them. We're gonna melt the jack cheese, and then we're gonna drizzle this salsa across it and serve it on this homemade ciabatta roll that I got from my good friends at Gelson's. So let's get our salsa going here. I just cut an edge off here. Now, if you notice, they're not precise measurements. Do some jalapeno now. Again, like I always do, I'm gonna cut it in half, take my thumb, and get rid of the seeds in the white line in at the time. Time for the pineapple. This is going to be so good because the onions, the jalapeno being so fresh, the jack cheese is going to be beautiful. Get some cilantro in here. How about a little hallelujah lime? Look at this. Ooh, ooh. Put some lime in there and then taste it. Right amount of lime?
Yep.
Hey, who said you could have seconds? Okay, so we got our salsa. But we're going to do something else that is not generally in the salsa. We're going to put some avocado in there. Why? Because I can. Here we go. All right, we're okay. All right, so let me regroup. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator, and then we're going to prepare our chicken, then we're going to go outside and cook it. All right, so we made the salsa, the pineapple, avocado, jalapeno salsa. Now we're going to do the chicken. The nice thing about the baggie, it's good for pounding the meat, because we're going to kind of thin it out really good. Okay, I like how thick they are. Now it's time for the secret weapon, all-time secret weapon, Little Louis. Seasoned garlic salt with black pepper. That's all we want. Okay, we're gonna go out to the cooker and whip these bad boys up. Okay, here we go. We're doing the chicken with the pineapple jalapeno salsa with avocado. So let's get this nice and hot. Okay, like I said, we're gonna cook these, and then when we flip them, we're gonna put jack cheese on them. See if I can get them to fit in my melting box. I think I can, look at that. Maybe I can get 2 in 1. Maybe it'll be perfect. Now remember that ghee? The clarified butter? Okay, that's perfect. This is going to work out great. We'll take our Monterey Jack cheese. Okay, so what we're making here, guys, is we're making a grilled chicken with Big Papa Little Louie's. So we're going to melt this jack cheese. Nice little melting bucket. Let me see how I did here. You might act like I did it before. Hold on just a second. Let me celebrate. So, about 3 minutes. I'll be back right at you. Let's toast our ciabatta roll. Now, I butter first. Let's put some weights on it to make sure I got a nice, good, even caramelization on it. Let's see how these look. Oh my God. Papa, you may have done this kind of cooking before. Now I want to make sure we get all these edges because they got a little caramelization, a little crispiness, which also translates to flavor. Clean the griddle as you go. Nice scraping. See our buttered bread's going? Because we want it toasted nice. Let's see how this looks. Is it okay? I'm not sure. Let's see this side. Oh, I'd call it perfect. So I'll see you inside. We're going to make these bad boys. Here goes Big Papa's chicken, jack cheese, pineapple salsa, homemade ciabatta. I think you could just like leave me alone and I'd eat this by itself. Let's do a little mayo. Gotta spread it around. Okay, now one thing, when you're making a sandwich, I keep telling you whether it's a burger or not, and you got lettuce, lettuce serves a couple reasons, couple purposes. Number one, it's crunchy. It's green, but the real benefit to me on a sandwich like this is that this lettuce will act like a barrier from the moisture in the chicken and will protect the bottom bun. Now we got our avocado, cilantro, red onion, pineapple, and jalapeno salsa. When you're cutting something this big in a sandwich, I like to wrap it in cellophane, kind of holds it all together, but I'm feeling very bold now. Tuck everything in there as best I can. This looks like a hot mess, doesn't it? My friend Stan McNabb would be asking people to clean it up. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to present it like a pro. Here we go. Any questions?